Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do right now is to enter the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gestures navigation, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, hold it here for a while and the recents will appear. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, it is even easier. Simply tap on this button with 3 bars icon, and as you can see here we've got the recents. If you want to can close, for example, only one of those apps, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, just tap on close all and your device will remove all of them from the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.